Hi all, I'm Steve Taylor and I've recently set up the Additive Manufacturing Knowledge Network group on LinkedIn, otherwise known as AMKN. My vision is to create a community where we can bring together the collective wisdom of additive manufacturing users and industry experts. Whether you're in the aeronautical, automotive, architectural, dental, education, engineering, fashion, food and beverage, manufacturing, medical, oil and gas, or product design industries, now that's just to name a few, additive manufacturing is going to have a significant impact in your future operations. Hence this personal invite to you all to share your knowledge and contribute your expertise by joining our community of users, educators, resellers and technology experts. My main goal is to remove all the obstacles that prevent organisations embracing additive manufacturing. If you have already embraced additive manufacturing, or you would like to but have barriers, then I would like to hear from you to know your key metrics and the challenges that need to be addressed. By working together as a community, we can remove those barriers. Please feel free to invite any of your contacts to the group who you may feel can contribute or benefit from being a part of it. I look forward to seeing what we can do together.